Welcome to Workday Payroll Withholding Orders Overview. In this session, we'll discuss the steps Workday follows to calculate withholding orders. We'll also review a withholding order in Workday. Although each country has unique types of withholding orders, or court orders in the UK, the process for calculating withholding orders in Workday Payroll is similar for all withholding order types. For each withholding order, Workday calculates disposable earnings, gross pay, net, or other appropriate wage base, depending on the authorities governing the order, calculates the maximum withholding limit according to statutory rules, calculates the total amount to withhold, compares the withholding limit to the total amount to withhold, reduces the calculated amount if the worker has multiple orders and the amount to withhold exceeds the withholding limit. Workday follows the appropriate rules to determine what to withhold for each order based on the order type, and assigns a processing priority to each order based on the appropriate authorities when an employee has multiple orders. For Workday to complete these steps successfully and accurately calculate a withholding order, three key components need to be in place. First, Workday has to know the disposable income or appropriate wage base for a withholding order. This means having the right earnings and deductions added to withholding order-related pay component groups, which is usually set up during deployment. Second, Workday needs to know the third-party deduction recipient, or who the payment is going to. These can be added separately or added when you record a new withholding order. Finally, Workday needs to know the details of the withholding order. Withholding order tasks are provided for each country to accommodate differences in this process. Check out the Workday Payroll Record and Maintain Withholding Orders video for more details. You can view a worker's active and inactive orders on their pay profile under the Withholding Orders tab. This U.S. worker has an active student loan, which you can drill into to review. He has to pay a specified amount per weekly pay period until the total debt amount is reached. This loan repayment is paid to the U.S. Department of Education. As specified in the withholding order, the worker also pays a $1 order fee to the employer each pay period to service the order. In this session, we've explored the steps Workday takes to calculate and process withholding orders and reviewed an example order. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.